How's it going, everyone? It's Ethan here with another Workshop Wednesday. I'm going to be doing a quick firework tutorial to show you guys how to be safe this 4th of July with all the fireworks and the lighting, so hopefully you'll have a safe and uneventful holiday. Now, I've got two types of fireworks that I'm going to be showing you. But before I do anything with either one of them, I've got to let you know the rules. So rule number one, don't do this without any parental supervision or any type of guidance from an adult, basically. You need somebody watching you, or at least their permission for you to be doing this. So that's rule number one. Rule number two is be aware of your surroundings. I'm out in the street, I'm out here watching for cars and making sure that I'm away from anything that's flammable. So that grass, it's on the other side of the pavement, can't even catch on fire from over here, and I've only got small fireworks, so I need to be distanced from anything like these trees or some paper. Just watch out for anything that could catch on fire or be hazardous to you while you're doing this. And the last one, make sure that once you light the firework, you get away from it. Do not be close. Don't try to pick it up. Don't try to hold it. Don't do anything with it other than set it down, light it, and then back away. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a quick couple of demonstrations. The first one, this firework right here, all it does is emit some smoke. That doesn't mean I can stay close to it. Just because it doesn't explode or anything doesn't mean I can get up close to it. I need to back away, make sure I don't breathe in any of the smoke, make sure it's not all over me because the smoke can be dangerous. So I'm gonna set it down and light it. And then back away. See, it's got some nice yellow smoke coming out of it, and I'm not getting close to the smoke. Gotta make sure I don't breathe it in at all. Okay, that was really nice. Now, about disposing of it, make sure that you pick up after yourself while you're doing fireworks. The main thing is wait for it to not be hot anymore, because these things get really hot right after they go off. So just leave it there for a couple minutes, and then once you're ready, go ahead and pick it up and properly dispose it in a trash can. Okay, now that I've disposed of the first firework, what I need to do is get ready for the second one. Now I make sure there's nothing around me, watch my surroundings. This one sparks, it lights up, it moves around, it does all these crazy things. I gotta be extra cautious with it. So I'm gonna set it down and I'm going to light it and back away. So that was the last firework I wanted to show you, just a quick demonstration of how to be safe with these things. I'm not gonna pick it up yet, but I will later. So make sure that you're safe this 4th of July. Make sure that you back away from the firework, clean up after yourself. Don't pick them up until you're hot, and make sure that you have a parent or a supervisor watching you at all times. Okay, have a nice day. I'll be back another time for Workshop Wednesday. Hopefully you learned a lot from